Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy pudding sauce. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create the base for our sauce. In a small saucepan, combine the 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and the pinch of salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly. Next, gradually add about 1/4 of the milk, stirring until you have a smooth, lump-free paste. Then, slowly pour in the rest of the milk, continuing to stir well. With our base mixed, it's time to cook. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat. It's crucial to stir continuously to prevent scorching and ensure even thickening. Cook the mixture for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon, reaching a lovely, creamy consistency. Patience here is key for a perfect sauce. Once your sauce has thickened beautifully, remove it from the heat. Now, stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful aroma and flavor. Your warm pudding sauce is now ready to be enjoyed. You can pour it directly over your favorite desserts like cake or fruit. For a thicker, cooler sauce, simply chill it in the refrigerator before serving. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.